Arch your shoulders, throw some money, this the club dance. Hit the food, bust a move, this the grub dance.
What is up, bros? Today we are going to take you on a little journey and do some upgrades here in Project Bro BS. So as you guys may have remembered, previous videos, we did some door speakers and just something real simple. We also have a very inexpensive single DIN radio that we're going to be swapping out and upgrading to something with a little bit more zing and pep. Coming in to make the head unit situation a little bit better is this Power Acoustik's PL60MB, a digital multimedia receiver, and it has Bluetooth connectivity and motion sensors for hand gestures. What the heck? So this is one of those multimedia receivers that doesn't take a CD, but CDs are a thing of the past for the bass head to actually bang. My brother Cameron got it all pigtailed up, and yeah, so this is what this bad boy looks like out the box. Pretty sweet, pretty slick. But this will just be fun for something for the old man to work for using his work truck, and very interesting. He's really excited. So doing this truck little by little, but the head unit swap was the first one, and then you know, RCAs, remote, etc.
Skip radio stations.
She lives though. Dope. The radio that we installed, Power Acoustiks, this is just a little bit of backstory. Power Acoustiks actually sent me a message, the rep from Power Acoustiks, and said, hey man, we got something dope for Papa Bangin'. And I was like, well, that's good. And they saw that the truck just had a very simple single DIN. So they wanted me to try one of these, and I was more than game because look, it's all touchscreen and it has some hand motion gestures. I'm gonna let my old man figure it all out himself, but it's got a lot of cool little features. I'll put the model number in the description, so if you guys want to look it up.
Double large and put up in pie. Trap on Southwest just like Big Yay running up fast. I feel like came from the real deal slum, still giving them. Bitch, how you gon' fuck with a crumb? You know I'm a Bitch, how you gon' fuck with a bomb? You know I'm a dope. Hey, chop up pie, they came with a scope. Hey, don't with the nigga, you don't come with the throat. Bitch, you better not try, I'm stepping like low.
So that was just a very simple radio install here in Project Bro BS. Just so my pops can have a little bit better head unit to put around town in this truck. And that one actually, we've already driven it around town and already given it a shot. And let me tell you what, the Bluetooth connects really fast. It's very responsive. It plays music nice and clear. Would be considered one of your budget single DINs, but it has so many cool features and so neat that it's worth the buy. If you're not doing a 10,000 watt system, if you're just doing something really nice and just swapping out a very simple single DIN, those Power Acoustik radios aren't too bad so far. Now we'll see how longevity treats us. So, you know, it could be wonderful for 3 months, and in the next 6 months it could crap out. But at least for now, the first initial swap, easy install, very easy to operate, and pretty fucking badass. Nice little bit of swag to the OBS truck. So thank you guys for watching, and a big shout out to Power Acoustiks. You guys know you can find Power Acoustiks at what? eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Kmart, Piggly Wiggly, Walgreens. Let's see, what else? CVS Pharmacy. I think you get them at HEB, Kroger's, and select GameStops. So, you know, Power Acoustiks is everywhere. It's out there. So you guys should be able to Google's it very easily. Check out more from Power Acoustiks. I'm gonna tag them below, and y'all stay banging, bros.